Hi, to install Facebook on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, firstly, we will need to find and open Play Store, which is installed here by default. So, after that, you would see some categories, apps, games, books, kids, and so on. From here on the left side, select this search, and you will see the search bar appears on the screen. And now we need to simply enter word Facebook, select it from the suggested options, and this is how the app should look. After that, we just need to tap blue button install, and now you can see that it is downloading, so we are simply waiting a bit, and now it is almost installed. And yep, now we are done. We can see two options: uninstall and open. So we can immediately open it by tapping this option, and here, as you can see, we need to either log in if you had an account before, or select create new account, and after that you'll be able to use Facebook, so you can chat with your friends, you can view photos, news, and so on. To find it on your homepage, you need to tap this home button. Here you can scroll to check the homepage or swipe up to enable app drawer, and yep, it appeared in your app drawer, so you can simply press and hold it, select add to home, and now it will appear on your homepage as well. And additionally, you can add it to your taskbar, so on the bottom of the screen, if you just hold it and drag it down like that. And now when you will open any app, you would see this taskbar on the bottom of the display, and you'll be able to open Facebook just in one click by tapping it like that. And also you can simply hold it and drop it on the screen, and you'll be able to use it in a split screen view. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.